Hey guys, welcome back. This is Andre Digital. Today I'm going to be showing you an exciting tutorial. I'll be showing you how to build the website for free, step by step. Doesn't matter if you're a beginner or just looking back to refresh your skills, this tutorial is for you. So without wasting time, let's get to it. Let's go. All right, guys. So before we get started, you guys know the importance and how essential having a website is for your business. So the first step in building a website is choosing the right platform. So today for this tutorial, I'm going to be using GoDaddy, but you guys are more than welcome to use any website builder you want. So if you go on Google, you can type in website builder, and it's going to give you a whole list of website builders like Squarespace, Wix, GoDaddy. You see, there's different ones. Duda, there's like tons of them. There's tons of them you could use, but for this example, we're gonna be going through GoDaddy. All right, guys. So like I said, you click on GoDaddy or whatever website builder you want, and click Start for free. Continue with email. So we're gonna put Andre Digital. Andre Digital. Okay, then you go ahead and you create your account, send a verification code, wait for that to come in, copy and paste it, and you're good to go. So now we're here. You should be somewhere on this page like this, right? So what are your main goals? So start with the basic website. Okay. And then you just select the category that you want for your industry, like food truck or something. Food and drinks. How about that? Andre food truck. Food restaurant. Andre's. No, food truck. Okay. Just an example. If your business has the location, then you just click on that and insert your info. But we don't. So it's gonna process it. It's gonna start putting some like a template together for you. And there it is. Now we have a website that's made. And you could take the tour and it'll show you through everything, but I don't need it. So this is what it initially looks like. Okay. All right, guys. Yeah, so this now we have our template. You can come over here and try different looks, different styles, different templates, whatever works for your business, whatever whatever style suits best for you. You can change the colors as well. Blue, green, whatever you wanna mess around with, you could do it through here. Now, you can go ahead and upload videos and pictures. So like these are obviously not yours. You click on that and you can change the image. You could add images. You could drag and drop them or just add them straight up. They also have stock media that you could use. But yeah, so go ahead, take your time, adjust the like Savor Andre's food truck dishes. So actually, I will change that. Andre's food truck, the best burgers in town. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Budget friendly burgers at affordable prices. You know, something like that. And then explore menu. That's a button. So like down here, you would have a menu list. Same thing with this. You can go ahead and click on it, change image, and upload your video, photo, whatever you want to showcase. And right here, like burgers, you go traditional burger, bacon burger, veggie burger, you know, and then you would just customize same thing, sides, fries, drinks, you know, just customize it to fit your business. If you need another section, you can add a section there. You have tons of options. Gallery, um, content, you know, that you could this thing would load. This thing would load, Jesus Christ. Okay. See how you have that? You could add that on there. And yeah, so just play with it, fix it to your business, and that's the fun part, customizing it. So have fun with it. And also another important thing is on the site, another really important thing is navigation. So navigation is crucial. So you could add a new page. So okay, so we haven't this is free. Now, on the free versions, I guess that you could only have one page, but if you upgrade, if you like how this works, you upgrade it, you can connect the domain, which is so right now if we were to publish it, this would be your website. AndresFoodTruck.GoDaddySites.com. That's the free version. Now, if you go look at the view plans, you see it's not that bad. 16 bucks a month, 29 e-commerce. That's to run an online store. If you want to do that, you can go ahead and sell stuff online. That would be that option. But basic is for lead generations. That's where it's good enough. So you go ahead and you pay that. You're able to customize the domain. You're able to add more pages, sub menus, drop down menus, like everything you could want. You could add it on there. All right, guys. So like I said, you go through the whole site, you customize it. Um, right here you would add keywords, so like taste of love, photos of mouth-watering dishes. So that would totally replace the entire thing. Like I would like the best burgers in Texas, or you know, or something like that. The best burgers in Texas, the best bacon burgers in Texas, you know, because it has that keyword right there. So if you guys want to know more about keywords, the domain, every single step in specific detail, check out my other videos. I have tons of videos with going into full detail describing everything, like from keyword research to competitive research to hooking up the domain to this type of site. So go ahead, drop a comment, like, uh, you know, check out my other videos. There's tons of useful information. And yeah, so this is pretty much it. This has been the video how to make a free website. Once you're done with this, you pretty much go ahead and publish it and you're good to go. But like I said, it will run under this. If you do want to have a custom domain like www.andresfoodtruck.com, I would purchase a domain and purchase a plan. So that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Check out my other videos. I'll drop down links to all my other videos where you can check out the keyword research, SEO tactics, link building, uh, everything you could ever have questions on. You'll find it there in full detail. So I appreciate it. Thank you. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a good day.